Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.thoughtfultoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Allow the inspiration. Seek alignment with Source and allow the inspiration to unfold. When you're in alignment with the divine, you're receptive to the answers you're looking for and to all the good that's freely available to you through God. Therefore, seek first alignment and allow the steps of faith to lead you to your breakthrough and triumph. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. I agree with this completely. When you do align yourself and all you do is put out positivity and don't put out that negativity, because I believe what you put out there comes back, because that's what God knows you want. So if you're putting out positivity all the time, that's what's going to come back to you. I believe that with all my heart and soul. And I believe that God has things lined up for you that you can't even understand or comprehend. So that's why I always say just follow the doors that open for you. And just follow love. You'll always be happy. Stay positive. Keep that alignment going and you'll always be happy. I believe that with all my heart and soul. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.